Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham and Solihull. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Vaillant. It's got an F28 and F54 flashing on it. It's got an ignition issue on it. So in this film we're going to be diagnosing it and repairing it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, the first thing I want to check is the spark electrodes. So I'm just going to check them out if they're sparking. The sparking, not the best, but it's enough to do the job. Right, now I'm just going to check the gas valve if it's opening or not. So I've got my manometer connected to it. We're going to check the gas valve first if it's opening. Even the pump's making noises, bro.
Bro, it's not bad. Look, you see a noise, man. Yeah, suddenly it's all making weird fucking noises. I never.
Chill, let's go. And so we got a problem with the gas valve, yeah? There you go. Change the name. Right guys, I'm back after a few days and the conclusion was that it needs a new gas valve. We're checking the voltage on it. There was voltage going from the board to the gas valve, but just that gas valve wasn't opening. So we're going to be changing this gas valve. Right, the new gas valve. Well sealed. Okay, then just the new gas valve. That's the old one. Do you know what? I didn't have to take all that out. Just two nuts. Hopefully that's it. Now I bet you're thinking, why is it draining the system down when he's just changing the gas valve? Well, it's because it was leaking. So I opened it up, right, checked the washer's gone. So luckily I've got some washers in the car. I'm going to put that washer in, we're going to sort that out. So got a new washer. I'm going to put that in. Maybe I'll do the job now. Right guys, I pressurized the system and it's not, the drain cock's not leaking anymore. So that's sorted. Right guys, the bull is on. I'm just going to do my safety checks on it now. Go do all my gas tests because I've opened all these nuts up. So I'm going to do my gas safety checks. Unfortunately I won't be sharing that with you, but it's all working fine. I'm going to do all my safety checks and then that's it, I'm going to be out of here. So can you see the steam coming through there? Yeah, that's hot, it's working fine. There's your old gas valve and there's a new one. And the temperature is going up, 242 Celsius. I have the tap open, so it's going to now change over to central heating, so that's going to take about 1 or 2 minutes, and then that's it. Right guys, that's sorted. Done all my safety checks on it. It's all working fine now, yeah. That's sorted now. Temperature going to 60 Celsius. The pump was making noises. But took some air out of it and it's not. Well, I've got a bad feeling about the pump. I think the pump's on its way out as well. Right guys, I've sorted this Vaillant out. The gas valve at the end was faulty on it. So anyway, we've done a diagnosis on it a couple of days ago. We had to order a new gas valve. Came back 2 days today. No, 2 days ago it came in. And about 4 days ago we diagnosed it. Let's get it right. So today I've come down, fit the new gas valve in, so working fine. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it's worth editing this one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.